Visit us at Eduvo. Thank you for calling Eduvo.
Next is compound assignment operators. Let us see. See, again, it's a common practice to write down the statements like this. For example, sum assign sum plus x. Means whatever the value of sum is, in that x is added. Suppose I have sum and sum value is 5 and x is 2. So this is 5 plus 2. Then where the result should be stored, it is stored in sum. This is useful for updating the value of a variable, either adding something or subtracting something, or even multiplication can be done. Or if I say factorial assign factorial into n. So whatever the factorial value is, with that n is multiplied and the result of this one is stored here. Instead of writing the statement like this, in C++ we can use this operator plus assign x, or this factorial multiply assign n. So this gives the same meaning. It means the value of sum in that x should be added and the result should be stored in sum. And n should be multiplied with the value of fact, and then that result should be stored in fact only. So instead of writing this lengthy statement, you can write a short statement, sum plus assign x. So this is compound assignment operator. So we can use plus assign, minus assign, multiply assign, divide assign, mod assign. So there are various other operators also. Let us try these things practically and see them. Let us look at compound statements. These are commonly used statements in programming. Like if I have a variable sum which is having value 10, then also I have one variable x that is having value 5. So usually we say what? Sum plus assign x. So the value of x and sum are added, then where the result should be stored, I am storing it in sum again. So I can say that the value of sum is updated by adding value of x. So the result is back in x. Let us display this and see what the result will be shown. Yeah, see, this is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So instead of writing the statement like this, writing sum on both the side, we can also say sum plus assign x. So this is a compound statement for addition, and the result will be same. It is 15. So this is a very handy statement, and it is more readable. Instead of writing sum on both the side, if you write some compound statement, if you use, then it's very easy to read. Even I can use multiplication here. So this will multiply x with sum, and the result is stored in sum again. So if I am displaying sum, then the result is 50. And one more statement I'll show you more commonly used, that is if I have a variable x whose value is 10, then I can say x assign x plus 1. So this will increase the value of x by 1. And if I print this one, so x, let us print the value of x. X should change by 1, incremented by 1. Yes, it became 11. Even we can use minus. This is decrement by 1, 9, we are getting the result. Now instead of writing like this, we can also say x plus assign 1. So 1 will be added to x. That's it. This is 11. So this is how you make use of compound statements. So we will write few programs where we will be using compound statements.